everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Gayatri. Today we are going to make a fringe lamp DIY which will be very useful in a home decor. So let's get started. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications for my new videos. For this DIY, you will need these embroidery rings which is easily available in the market. For this, you will need 3 different sizes of the ring. We are going to use only inner rings. Don't worry, outer ring will be useful in some other DIY. We required the fringe lace as shown here, but I want some shimmery fringe lace which I didn't get in the local market, so I decided to make my own fringe lace. So to do this DIY lace, you need shimmery wool, scissor, measuring tape and canvas which is used for tailoring purpose. So first I started with a smaller ring. I marked a 1 point over and take the measurement along with its periphery. So it's 17.5 inches. So that what we need the length of the fringe. So take a canvas and mark the 17.5 inch in lengthwise and 1 inch in widthwise, and cut out the piece of the canvas as per marked points. So now we require to cut the wool in equal size. Here I am cutting it into the 10 inch long. We can trim it later as per our choice. Cut the threads in ample amount to cover the outer side of the ring. Apply glue to canvas tape and stick all the threads evenly on that. If you use Fevicol, it will take time to dry out. It's time consuming, but when you look the last results, it's worth it. Make sure you apply the threads evenly. There should not be any gap in between the threads. So here I am completed this fringe lace for one ring. Now I have made the other 2 fringe lace in a similar way. Now take the 2 rings and mark the 3 points at equal distance. Take the thread and tie them together, keeping some distance apart. In similar way, tie the third ring. Secure the thread knots with the hot glue gun. It will look like this. Now take the glue gun and stick the DIY fringe lace to last ring on its periphery. Now do the similar steps on second and third ring. To enhance the look, you can add lace to the top. Here I am using this matching color lace. Just stick it on the top side with the help of hot glue gun. And here is the last look. If you try this DIY at home, take a picture and send it to my Instagram account. And if you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.